You clicked because something inside you won't quit. Good. Most men talk about change. Few ever start. If you're serious, I'll give you the one plan that ends the guessing. No hype, no tricks. 7 steps. Do them every day. Follow this exactly and your life stops drifting. Right now you wake up scattered. You half plan your day. Then distractions eat it alive. You know the pain. Late nights, wasted hours, low energy. That ends today. Step 1, fix your morning. Wake up the same time. No snooze, no phone. Win the first battle, and the rest follow. 30 minutes of quiet, not scrolling. That's your advantage. Step 2, move your body. Daily, strength is not optional. 30 minutes of effort sharpens everything. Focus, mood, courage. A weak body bleeds into a weak mind. Step 3, 3 tasks only, not 20. 3 must-wins. The ones that move your life forward. Finish those first. Everything else is noise. Most men fail here. Why? Because they choose comfort over progress. But there's one tiny habit that flips this. Listen up, I'll show it next. Step 4, cut weak distractions. Half your screen time today, then half it again. No doom scrolling, no binging. You can't build a strong life on a weak attention span. Step 5, learn every day. 15 minutes minimum. Read, practice, upgrade one skill. The future rewards the man who keeps getting better. Step 6, protect your nights. No chaos before bed. Reflect. Plan tomorrow. Sleep early. If you win the night, you win the day. Step 7, discipline when no one's watching. Self-respect is earned in the dark. Not for likes, for you. This is where the invisible work turns into real power. Do these 7 things and your mind sharpens, your body strengthens, your focus returns. Either follow the plan or stay exactly where you are. Your call. If you want the printable plan in a 7-day starter checklist, hit subscribe and I'll drop it next.